Hello everybody. Here in front of me is one of the most budget-friendly FPV drones that offer great value for the money. This is the DarwinFPV BabyApe Pro version 2. There is also a cheaper non-pro version, but it comes with some trade-offs. You can buy this one for less than $100 from the well-known Chinese websites. This is the version without any receiver, and I'm going to use my own receiver. There are options to buy it with Express LRS receiver. Now let's open the box. First, we see some stickers from DarwinFPV. And here we have the props of the quad. One set of props, size 3016, yellow Gemfan props. Other colors are available as well. Here we have some stickers, zip ties, a yellow Velcro battery holder. Alternatively, you can use these rubber bands for holding the battery. Some screws, nuts, and that's all in this plastic bag. And this is the quad. It is not covered with any protective foam, only cardboard, no fancy packaging. Something like manual with the schematics of the flight controller. We can see how we can connect the receiver, the camera, and VTX. This brief manual is in English. Nice. And maybe there is something else in the box. No, nothing else. Now let's take a closer look at the quad. It's such a small quad, not much larger than my hand. It has small motors, not branded. According to other reviews, they are low quality motors, but they are very cheap and you can buy spare motors to change them when they fail. The distance between holes is not exactly the standard. You will see later. Here we have LED lights. Some are yellow, the others are white. The heat shrink here is blocking one of the LEDs, and here it is moving. Maybe you have to heat it a little bit more. The quality of this quad is not the best, but for this money it's okay. And this is a rubber band to hold the battery. We have a silicone pad, not allowing the battery to slip away. This is the camera. Let's remove this protective cover. The BabyApe Pro version comes with better camera. And this is the main reason to choose the Pro version over the basic one. It's a pretty good camera, caudix end. Here is how the camera can be regulated with this screw. And we have small antenna here. Here are the flight controller and the VTX above it. Here we have a capacitor and the power cables with XT30 connector. This is 3D printed holder for the VTX antenna, and it has additional holes, maybe for the receiver antenna, which I have to connect later. At the bottom I see a micro USB connector for the flight controller. Now let's check how we put the props. This is the prop and this is the motor. As you can see, the distance between holes is not equal, so you can't use screws to hold the props. You just have to press them down. They are tight enough to stay on the shaft, so you don't need to use screws. You can remove this rubber band and use Velcro battery holder instead. That's all from me. Thank you for watching this unboxing. Maybe in some of the next videos I will show you how this is going to fly. Thank you and goodbye.